Alright, now about to do the other catalytic converter. So, about to get the kids nutting. Like it's needs nothing. You better lift up. There we go. So you crack it up with just a little bit. That's what you get. So now, same thing. Hit it with the hammer, go through it, start breaking it down, and vacuum it up until it's fully gutted. And yeah, so let's get it. Gut this one so it can be looking like this one. And we'll be in the game. So now I'm about to put y'all on time lapse while I gut it. Alright, so I got this one gutted now. That's the aftermath of it. Now that one's gutted. Now I just gotta take that little paint out, fix that, we'll be Gucci, but yeah. Cats are gutted now, and they're way lighter, that's crazy. All that stuff. I understand this is money. Where I'm gonna cash out at. You feel me? What's cracking, y'all? Now the headers are out. You know what I'm saying? I got Kuda over here. I'm gonna put a thing over his face so he don't get looked for, you know what I'm saying, by them people. But he about to weld up my. Oh yeah, look at that. So we about to see, man. Let's see what your boy can do.
Yeah, I like that battery. Ooh, too hot. Turn down. Turn down. We're not welding no thick metal today.
Alright, here we got a sneak peek at the Kuda built E46 and the man himself, man. With the welder helmet on, my boy Kuda. Look at this, man. It's an M50, right?
Yes, sir. Non-vanos.
M50 non-vanos. He made his custom motor mount for it, his own motor mounts. Turbo manifold, so you know your boy about to get jiggy with it. It's clean too, paint look clean. Damn.
Custom harness. Yours truly.
Custom harness. What ECU and tuning stuff you gonna run?
Speedy EFI.
Okay, hell yeah.
Simple as
See,
possible.
look, bang. You got it right there too. Speedy EFI right there. Got everything on there. Got the cage. My boy got a beat back there. You know what I'm saying? A battery. Whole rear end cut out. Oh man. The boy ain't playing. He's not playing with this car. This car is official. So before when he was running it, it wasn't turbo. He just put the turbo on it now. And you see my boy got the cutout in the hood and all that ready. So that's sick. Cause it's an event coming up. I forgot what day it is, but I will let you know when the event comes, cause I will be there. All the homies gonna be there and it's gonna be cracking. And yeah, man. It's gonna be the main whip right here. We about to show y'all how the homies get down, what they doing, you know what I'm saying? Ready to go, fire extinguisher, everything. I like this car. Pretty dope. Yeah. My boy Kuda, you went ahead and weld that up for me, so that will be solid. Won't be no leaks, won't be no nothing. We'll be in the game, man. Back roller.
You gotta kind of hold it and I'll light it for you. Not hold it lightly. Just so I get it to light. That full cigar.
It's a bird, it's a... Got this damn stud broken on there. So now I'm heating it up. Getting it hot enough so hopefully we can just be able to hammer it out. And it comes out with no problem. That's what I'm hoping. But a lot of times when I hope stuff, it don't go as planned, so maybe I should stop hoping, huh? In the meantime, Kuda over here, you know what I'm saying, he's doing this thing with the header. So, you know, we got BMWs and we black men working. Heat that up. Yeah, so my boy welded it up, all done. Both of them are done. Where's the other one? The other one's right here. And we back in the game. So now I just gotta put them back on the car and we should be driving by tomorrow. Hopefully by tomorrow we'll be dipping. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Kuda. I appreciate you.
No problem.
You know what I'm saying? My shit better not have no leaks. And you know, I gotta mess with the homie, man. I know it ain't gonna leak. That's my boy, man. You know what he doing. But yeah, man, that's it for today, man. Had to gut the headers, get everything right, and tomorrow we should be dipping. So I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Peace.